It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday. Oh my goodness, you guys. I have an epic video for you. By the way, thank you so much to everyone who's playing along with March Madness. As you can see in the earlier video, there was a major upset with it was what? Emily in Paris, Macaroon Cloud, and the Vanilla Suede. If you haven't watched the video yet, I won't give away what happened, but it was a little bit wild. So, what am I doing today? I'm doing some spring cleaning. I'm doing it. I've been cleaning my house a little bit. I went out earlier. I stopped at Bath & Body Works. I actually didn't get anything today. There is a $3.95 concentrated rum sale, and that's a good deal. If you need concentrated room spray, my store was actually pretty low in stock. So what am I doing with this giant box of perfume? I'm getting rid of the boxes. I did my perfume collection a little while ago. Everyone's like, get rid of the box. You'll use it more. I'm doing it. I have had these perfumes in boxes for so long, and it's so encumbering if you want to use them to take them out of the box and put them back in. I am doing it, you guys. I'm going to start displaying my perfume. I haven't decided what I'm doing with the boxes yet. Someone suggested that you can actually just fold them up like this, which is what I think I'm going to do. But I'm going to toss them for now. I don't know what to do. I think this part I'm just trashing, honestly. I might keep the actual box, but we don't want all this garbage sitting around. So everything is going, and then I can start displaying my perfume. That was Champagne Toast, by the way. I always like this lenticular box, but you know what? I never look at it. I never play with it. So once again, we're just getting rid of the boxes because I have so much cardboard. I have cardboard everywhere. Look at how pretty this bottle is. The bottles are prettier than the boxes. So I'm doing it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm going to start wearing Butterfly in the spring. That one is absolutely beautiful. This is so liberating. I gotta say, it's fun to get rid of boxes. I've had this one probably for 7 years. It's Daydream. I want to start using it. I want to start using these. Oops, I just dropped it. See? Look at that. How pretty. Look at the bottle. The bottle is stunning. I'm going to be putting a lot of bottles on my shelf. Okay, next up, we have Cocoa Paradise. I don't love this one, you guys, but that's okay. I'm going to put it on the shelf anyway. Look how nice these look lined up. Perfect Peony. Perfect Peony was always a good one, and I really want to start using these. Look at this. I have hardly used this one. It's one of my favorite scents, and like I said, I feel like I want to start using all these perfumes now. So that one is going back there. And you know what? If they're displayed back here, you know I'm going to use them because I'm just going to grab them. Gingham. Gingham, gingham, gingham. I don't love gingham, but that's okay. Oh, this is the white bottle. Check that out. That's a big bottle. I forgot what the bottles even look like. It's been so long since they've been out of the box. What do you do with this thing? I don't even know what to do with this. I'll probably stash this in the basement somewhere. But this is the weirdest box I think Bath & Body Works has ever done. It reminds me of like Space 99, like a Space Odyssey. Like it just kind of opens up. It's very very different. We're going to get rid of it. I didn't hurt it. I hate that box. Honestly, I wanted to love it. Oh, I have Perfect in pink up there. I got to grab one more. Platinum. I actually like Platinum. And I'm more likely to use it if it is in just a bottle sitting right here. This is fun. I know there's probably a few people that are going to go, no, don't get rid of the boxes. You know what? I have to. I'm running out of room. I need to get rid of these boxes. Sunshine Mimosa. This is so much fun. Look at that. Fairy Tale. Once again, like I said, I'm probably gonna like pick all these up off the floor, and I'm gonna get rid of that inner part, and all of these, I'm just literally going to fold up the box like this. And I'm going to go like this. And I have a box. I'm just going to stick them in there just in case I like want the pattern for anything. If I'm, maybe I'll scrapbook. But yeah, I'm going to do that. But I'm not keeping these boxes fully made up. Okay, Hibiscus Paradise. Hibiscus Paradise. This is so much fun tossing all this. Oh my gosh, the pile. Hibiscus Paradise. Look at how pretty all they look all lined up. I actually like that bottle style. Oh, Rose. This is my mom's favorite. I might just give this to her and see if she wants it. She can put this in her room. I know my mom's going to want that one. Instead of being in this collection, it's going to be in her room, which is so much nicer. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one that's coming out of the box. I did it. This feels so good. Okay, you're the one. These are hard for me because these are like actual boxes as opposed to, this is a second gingham. I'm going to gift this one. I have 2 ginghams. My mother-in-law is getting this one. I know she's going to love it. She likes gingham. I'm going to gift that one. Luminous. This box is very big and bulky. If I have room for it in the basement, I'll throw it in the basement. I'm going to toss it over there. If it broke, I don't care because that way I don't have to make the decision. This is like, seriously, you guys, like on a serious note, when I look at all of the Bath & Body Works stuff, like I've accumulated, I start to go, you know what? I really need to start to lighten my load a little bit, Midsummer Dream. And why not use these beautiful scents? Seriously. Yeah, that smells good. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. So, it's fine. I mean, if you like collecting, it's fine. If you have the space and you have them on a shelf and they're beautiful, I say go for it. Everybody is unique. Everybody, you know, does their own thing. But I've gotten to the point now where I am just tired of having stacks of these boxes everywhere. Cocoa Paradise, getting gifted. I have the second Cocoa Paradise. That's going to my mother-in-law. Tropidelic is a hard one for me. I have a thing for boxes. I do. I have a thing. And I bought Tropidelic for the box, which is a lesson to be learned. Don't buy it for the box. And you know what? It's not even that great. It's just basically a box with a, looks like a fish tank. And you can't even get it out. So even if I don't even like Tropidelic, but even if I wanted to wear it, I can't get it out. So I'm getting rid of the Tropidelic box. And I'm setting this over here. Look at how pretty those look on the shelf. Okay, these boxes are a total no-brainer to get rid of. I hate the Everyday Luxuries boxes. These things are so hard to use, and they're so pretty outside the box. So, I'm going to figure out where to put these. Or I have 3 more of these somewhere, and I can't even find them because they're in the boxes everywhere. Where did I put your Cheeky? I just had your Cheeky on my desk. Is it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. I have 2 more of these too. I gotta find them. Get rid of that. Oh my gosh, I got a mess over here. I got my garbage bag ready. I'm gonna put everything in a black garbage bag. I'm gonna take it in the basement, and then on a day that I feel like organizing, I'm gonna fold all the boxes up and put them in a box. I don't think I'm gonna do that today though. I'm like, I just feel like, luckily I have a big basement. I'll have to say that's nice. So I can put all the boxes in storage essentially, but they're not in my living space, which is great. Okay. This again is a hard one because I like this box, but you know what? It's going into storage. That's what this box is going to do. This is Gingham Gorgeous. I'm going to put that over there. Gingham Gorgeous. Pure Wonder, another box. And you know what? Again, these are hard to get out of the box, so you never use anything. We're getting rid of that one. I know everyone's going, the clunking. The clunking isn't too annoying. This feels so good, you guys. It feels good. Oh my gosh. I gotta tell you, this is almost dropped. I don't know how many times. You pick it up, it's on your desk, it's falling on the floor, If this were to break on the floor, I'm going to have glass everywhere. It's going to be a giant mess. I hate these boxes because I always do that. So I am not feeling, and then you can't get it out. So I am not feeling bad at all. Look at all those pretty perfumes. Getting rid of that box and that box. They are gone. It feels so good. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Poppy. Again, I'm a sucker for boxes, but I'm actually, this is a good lesson for me to go, you know what? You don't need the box. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Love always wins. A big, bulky box. I'm stirring up dust, you guys. This box is such a pain to store because it doesn't really fit anywhere. And the perfume's not even that big. So we're getting rid of the box. Look at that. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so that is going in my collection. This is the box that I have the hardest time getting rid of because it's cute. It looks like an orange slice, but you know what? It's almost impossible to get out. I've never worn this perfume other than when I tried it because it's such a pain to get out of the box. So you know what? The box is going over there. Oh gosh, I got a pile of boxes. I'll show you the picture of the boxes in the pile in my thumbnail. Calypso Clementine. I'm going to use that for summer now. So pretty. Inspire Love. This one, oh my gosh, you guys. You want to talk about a complete box disaster? This thing is stuck in here so tight. You almost have to just rip the packaging to get it out because it doesn't want to come out. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to, the only thing I'm going to keep is this. That's all I'm going to keep is like a little keepsake. Again, if I fold these up and put them in, I'm going to put them in actually this box. Maybe I'll even do that later. I don't know. But if I put them all in here, they're all in one box and I don't have this bulk. So Inspire Love, that one does not come out of the box at all. Okay. Oh, another bad one. This one is Among the Clouds. Again, it's on your dresser. You pick it up. It falls. It breaks. You got a mess. That's going right in the garbage. I can't stand that box. Among the Clouds. This one's pretty, though. I do like Among the Clouds. It's kind of like Sweetest Song. I have to compare. A little bit more raspberry. I like that one, though. So that's super pretty. So I'm going to put that one up there. Chris got me this one. And I'm going to keep the box, but I'm going to fold it. So all I got to do now is go like this. And look at that. It's all nice. And I'm going to stick these in here. So, but now I'm going to use Chasing Fireflies. Look at how pretty that is. That's going to go next to Platinum because it's tall. Okay, Brightest Bloom. Another one. Look at this. Look at this. Got a problem. I hate when that happens. And this one is so pretty to put on your dresser. I love that one. Coming out of the box. Oh my gosh. I feel liberated. This is one of the hard boxes. I really have not worn Vanilla Romance that much because the box is stopping me. I like it. I like Vanilla Romance. We're going to put that one up there. All right. Okay. This has actually been really good. Let me go grab Perfect in Pink, which is sitting here. Whoa. Okay. That was almost a disaster. I am back. Giant pink bow. This thing is huge. And you know what? I've decided I don't think I'm going to buy Sweetest Song in the Perfume because I have it in the mini. I like it, but it's not my favorite scent. It's $74 and I don't want like the music box. I'll review it for you guys. I'll go in the store, I'll take a picture, I'll take a video, but I'm really trying to cut down on these big bulky perfumes. So Perfect in Pink. Get rid of that. Boy, that made a good smack. Okay, this one. I don't need the packaging. Perfect in Pink. This is huge. Huge. Look at this perfume bottle. I think Perfect in Pink was the one that really made me decide, I want to start collecting the mini perfumes, which I have a whole big collection of them over there. That's what I'm going to do from now on. I'm going to get the mini perfumes because I am getting so loaded up. This one is actually really special. I'm going to fold this box up too. I had a viewer send me this. This is the Be Joyful. But look, I can fold the box up nice and neat and put it in here. Look at this. Be Joyful should be displayed. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. Okay, and then I also have the men's. The men's. These are not worth keeping, the boxes. These don't even need to be kept at all. I'm just going to take this out of here. This is Wild Wanderer. Look at this. Wild Wanderer. I'm going to give that to my husband. I know I have a couple of more... I have a couple of more everyday luxury perfumes. I don't even know where they are. I gotta find them. But look at this. I mean, I don't know if I'm gonna permanently display these on here, only because I like to keep moving these around. I like to put candles on here. I have a shelf in our bedroom that's so, like, pretty that I can display perfume on. And I know now, every morning when I wake up, I like fine fragrance mist, but I also like the perfume too. I can just say, you know what? I feel like wearing Sunshine Mimosa today, or I feel like wearing Your Cheeky, or I feel like wearing Love Always Wins, or Calypso Clementine. I'm going to use these up. I'm going to use them, and I've decided, that's like a thing with me right now, is I'm not going to collect perfume anymore, except for the minis. Those are the ones I really like to collect. They don't take up any room. You can put them in a box. And it's hard. This is hard for me because I like boxes and the bottles. I mean, once in a while, if I see one that's like real, like if they came out with a Halloween perfume or something, I'd probably get it. But for the most part, I'm going to try and be really good. I mean, I buy every mist. I buy every mist because I'm reviewing and I'm, doing all that. If you like collecting perfume, I think that's wonderful. A lot of people do like collecting it, and if it's something you enjoy doing, don't let me spoil your fun, because I'm not trying to do that at all. If it's something you enjoy, do it. I'm just doing me, and I'm deciding that going forward, I'm really going to try hard not to buy the perfume. And honestly, I think Sweetest Song was my breaking point, because I would rather have a candle holder, I think, than a perfume. $74 for a perfume. The reason being is I've got the fine fragrance mist. I've got the mini perfume. I've got that fragrance in many other formats. Whereas a candle holder, like, I have to display my deck, by the way. I gotta put this in my dining room. Like, I love this. I gotta say, so this was what? $39. A lot less expensive than perfume. And this is something that, you can kind of have, although I am cutting down a little bit even on my candle holders, just because of a spatial issue. Halloween is a different story. I get everything for Halloween. That's something that I always do. I mean, it's tempting. The struggle is real, you guys. And my only advice to everyone is figure out what you love, what you like to collect, and what's in your budget, and go from there. And make sure, like, I got all the Disney stuff. I'm so happy I got the Disney stuff. Honestly, I did not get all the wallflower plugs because I knew I wouldn't necessarily use the Disney wallflower plugs, but I love those coin purses. I love the pocket backs. So I got them. Brought me joy. So if it brings you joy, do it. If it doesn't bring you joy, figure out how you can declutter a little bit. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. It was helpful for me. I'll take a picture of the carnage over here with all the boxes, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.